What is serverless? It is a cloud native development model that allows developers to build and run applications without having to manage servers. Remember that serverless does not mean that there are no servers, it just means that you don't have to provision or manage them. AWS Lambda. It is an event driven serverless computing platform provided by AWS. Scaling is automated and it runs on demand. Pricing is pay per compute time and request. It can be integrated with many programming languages like Python, C Sharp, Ruby, Node.js, Java, etc. In the Management Console, go to Lambda. In this hands-on, we will be learning how to create an AWS Lambda. In the end of the URL, remove the functions and type in begin. Click enter. This kind of page opens. So now here you can see that you can use any type of language you want. For example, Python, Node.js, Java, Go, .NET. So let's just run one code. So I'll click on Python and I will click run. Here you can see hello from Lambda is displayed. Now similarly, I'll click on Node.js and I'll click on run. You can see that hello from Lambda is displayed again. When you select the next option here, you can see that events come from various sources into Lambda. Mobile and IoT backends, data processing, streaming analytics. So if I click on this continuously, you can see that Lambda scales automatically accordingly. So this is a serverless service. Now let's go back and click on create a function. I'll select user blueprint. I'll type in the name hello world Python. I'll select this option here and click on configure. There are another three options to create Lambda as well. Now in the function name, I'll type in new-lambda. Keep the execution role as create a new role. Keep the rest as default. Scroll down. You can see the Lambda function code here. Okay, now scroll down and click on create function. This will create the Lambda function for us. After your Lambda function has been created, scroll down. Here you can see your code. Now let's test this code. Click on test. Type in your event name. So I'll just type event 1. Scroll down and click on create. Now click on test again. Now you can see that test event name is event 1 and it's responding, and here is your request ID. You can even see the duration. Okay, now go back to monitor. Here in monitor, you can see the metrics. Now in logs, you can see the logs. We have no logs as of now. Okay, so this is how you create AWS Lambda. Now let's go back to our functions. Click on the function, go to actions and select delete. And then delete. So this will delete all the function code for us.